Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You will set up the app and grant access right away. Create an empty activity in Android Studio, choose Min SDK 21 or higher, and add the PDF viewer dependency, or prepare to use Android PDF renderer for built-in rendering. Once added, declare storage permissions in Android Manifest and implement a runtime permission flow. Request read external storage first, and handle manage external storage only if targeting scoped storage workarounds. Make sure to enable view binding or Jetpack Compose hooks now so your UI code attaches cleanly. You will implement the core reader flow. Load the PDF using a secure URI via file provider or content resolver to avoid file URI exposed exception, then call the viewer API. For Android PDF viewer, use PDF view. From URI, and configure default page, swipe, and spacing. For PDF renderer, open a parcel file descriptor and render bitmaps into an image view. Once done, wire buttons for zoom, next/previous, and a page input. Make sure to handle exceptions and show a loader while pages decode so the UI stays responsive. You will finish and stabilize the reader now. Test with multiple PDF sizes and sources including cloud URIs, watch memory, and add simple LRU caching or temporary bitmaps to avoid OOM. Once stable, implement state restore for current page and zoom across rotation, and add background decoding with coroutine or a sync task to prevent ANRs. If something fails, check runtime permissions, file provider paths, and stack traces. Make sure to wrap PDF renderer and file streams in try/catch and close descriptors to eliminate leaks. That's the key troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.